is pretty much finished, but I don't like to just take it on a board that's this large, doesn't have anything on the board. So a couple of things you can do. You can make a little plaque or a banner, and a banner would be just taking a piece of white fondant, rolling it out into a strip, however long you want it to be, and just cutting it straight down here. Now I think you usually just eyeball it, but to get a nice even strip, what you can do is use a ruler if you'd like, or just eyeball it like I did. Cut some little tails off. And you could even take a little piece of this fondant and just pop it down here. This way, if you want to say congratulations or something, you don't have to write on the diaper. You can just write on the little banner here, or welcome baby girl, or welcome baby, the baby's name, or the last name of the couple having the baby. But since we don't know anything about this couple. So we're just gonna do some little flowers. So I remember I had a bunch of flowers out here, cutters out here. I just decided to go ahead with these. And I'm just gonna pop these up on this foam pad, which is a knee pad for gardening. You get it at the hardware store. And I put a little bit of cornstarch on there so my fondant doesn't stick to it. And this is where that ball tool comes in handy that I have on my tray over here. Use the large side of the ball tool and just gently push in, slide towards the center. So push down, slide to the center, down to the center. Just have the flowers pop up just a little bit. They're fun, cutesy little flowers. This is light, very pale, light green buttercream in a bag with a tip 352 that looks like the bird beak. So just come over, squirt some little leaves out, and pop your flower right on top so they stick up a bit. And you could do one flower, you could put two flowers together. So I've got one there. Maybe do another one right next to it here. Like so, add some leaves in there. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and take my white buttercream in a bag with a tip number 5 and squeeze, stop squeezing, move the tip to the side and make a nice little round circle there. So I'm keeping the tip slightly embedded in the icing as I squeeze, stop squeezing, then move it off to the side. And that way you don't get the little points. Ah, right when I say that, what do I get? A little point. That's because I didn't stop squeezing before I moved to the right. There we go. So I'm just going to continue my little flower making here. Go around the board, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. There we go. See, this leaf doesn't really show up too much, so let me just add one more there. Take a quick look-see around the cake, make sure everything's okay. Make sure the board's nice and clean. And voila! Instant baby diaper!